Now, looking right here on my screen, this is my PayPal account, and as you can see on here, this is a balance of $210. Now, let me scroll down. You can see the money in the past 7 days. I've received over $430 here. I have the money out, about $300. I have the money requested on this platform, and you can also see that I have a couple of transactions. Like even today, I'm making this video. There's some transactions that are right here that I actually am processing with this particular PayPal account. Now, guys, what I simply want to do here in this particular video today is to show you how to actually create a PayPal account in 2024. Now, if you're in Nigeria right here, basically we know that we have issues with creating PayPal accounts. So when you have a PayPal account, you are not going to be able to receive money, right? You might only be allowed to send, okay? Whether you're in Nigeria or you're in other part of Africa or other part of the world that you are restricted from using PayPal, this particular video right here is one video that basically would help you to get full access to that PayPal account, and you can create one that you can use to receive and send funds at any time you like. And I'm going to be showing you guys more insights, because when we actually still scroll down through this particular video, as you can see on the screen, you're going to see that this is actually today at 10:44 a.m. This is 9:24 a.m. I've done transaction here on this PayPal account as at this morning, right before making this particular video for you guys right here. But when we still scroll down, you can see that in April 15th, 14th, like I transact like every single day. I've done a couple of transactions, and you can see I've transacted at about $1,200. I do transaction of $1,300, $800, $400. Now, this is basically different monies I've been trading with this particular PayPal account, and this is actually just to show you guys a couple of proof. But guys, when you go about on YouTube, there are a lot of videos around creating PayPal accounts. And I can tell you that 90% of this particular content are all bullshit. Yes, I would also even tell you that the video I actually made in the past about creating PayPal accounts no longer works as much today. It's not a thing of luck, about luck in 1/50 probability, right? But this particular method I want to show you guys right now. In short, I would have sold it as a course, but then I just want to expose it and you guys can actually have it for free. Did I do well? Let me know in the comment section below. And let me know if you're really pumped up to watch this particular video. Tell me, yes, Franklin, I want to get this particular insight from you in this video. Type it down in the comment section below so that we can actually get started on here. Now, guys, in order to actually get started with creating this particular PayPal account, there are a couple of things you basically want to do. And I would tell you that nobody will ever tell you to do all of these things. See, if I got those things, they tell you buy SIM card, or they tell you to actually use this or use that particular link and all of those things. Yes, I'm not saying that it doesn't work, but then these are a couple of prerequisites you actually need to get to make sure you've implemented before you even start creating a PayPal account. One is make sure that you actually create a new email account, an email account that does not or have never been used to sign up on PayPal before. That's the very first one, please. I've actually gotten a couple of people who actually have told me, oh, I have a PayPal account that got blocked. Can I use the same email to actually create that? Do not do that. No, please create a new email, a fresh one that you're going to be using to create a PayPal account for yourself. Now, the second thing you actually want to do is to go ahead and download this particular app on your browser, 1.1.1.1. Just go and download this right away, okay? And this is basically a DNS resolver. And it just simply helps us to resolve our DNS to a particular location and all. And as you can see right here, you can actually download from the App Store, Google Play Store, the macOS or Windows or Linux, whichever system you're using. It just simply downloads on there. Now, once you've downloaded this, you're going to be getting this prompt at the top of your laptop, whatever you can see here. It simply just helps to resolve your DNS and all. And it says here, your internet is private and you're connected. All right. Now, once you have this done, the next section you want to do is to go over on your browser and you want to clear your cache. So come over here and you can see here it says clear browsing data. And you want to make sure that you've cleared your cookies, you've cleared your cache, and I am going to clear everything right now, okay? You can get to ignore your browsing history, but your cookies and your cache, you want to clear every one of them. Okay, so once that has been done, then we now want to proceed to creating this PayPal account for ourselves. Now, you want to go ahead right now and you tap on paypal.com. We already know that once you just simply click on this, the Nigerian one doesn't work. You can see the .ng here. So we're going to enter /AE, paypal.com/AE. Okay, now this is the method that most people will be telling you, but then like I said, you actually have to do a couple of things before on here. So once I actually click on that right now, you can see basically that I have the option to actually create PayPal for personal or for business. Now, in this particular case, you can see here that you are sending payments, you're receiving payments, and you are good. So in this particular place right now, what you simply want to do is to click on sign up. This is where we get to do the sign up process and we walk through. It's asking whether you want a personal account or a business account. For the sake of this particular video, we're going to be working with a business account and we want to continue. Okay. Now, right here on the business account, you want to fill in your name. I'm going to fill in my name right now, Franklin Emmanuel. I'm going to put in my email address. Now, this is where you get to use that email address that nobody has used before, okay? And then we can now add our password. So once you've been able to do all of this, you actually want to check on this and then you can agree and create your account. Now, the more reason why you actually need to make sure that you watch this video to the very end still is because I'm going to be sharing a couple of tips at the end that you basically need in order to make sure that this account is on good standing and you can actually get to transact on it for a very long time. You need to whitelist this account finally with PayPal. I'll show you how to do that here. Okay, so I'm going to save all of this and they've emailed me a code. Let me go over to my inbox and let me do a quick refresh right here. So I'm clicking on email me a code right now. They're going to be sending a code to your email, which you are going to just check up on your email and you most probably would see ASAP. Okay, so yes, I have received that code right now and I'm going to impute that code as it is. Awesome. So once I have done that, I'm going to click on submit. It says here you're all set, just a few seconds and boom, we actually want to activate our account and start using PayPal. So guys, I actually told you guys that this is actually a different method and as you can see here, it's really quite different from what most people are even going to show you. But then this is exactly what it is. So now they're asking you need to enter your basics for your business, like its name, contact info and tax ID, and also share some personal info, includes your date of birth and home address. We keep all your data secure. Then you can actually click on let's go because we actually want to do this right now. So the option you're actually going to be choosing here actually will determine the tax forms. So I'm going to click on business and here business type, I am going to click on a private corporation. Okay, yeah, a private corporation, and I'll click on next and I'm going to follow up right now and I'm just going to put in the name I'm going to be using here and the trading name I said same. Then what is your business registration number? So basically I am going to put in my business registration number right now and this you can actually put a couple of random numbers or 11 or so. If you don't have any registration number, don't worry, it still works, but make sure that you are keeping tab of every of what you're sending to them. It's very important. Okay, so the primary currency USD, the sales, I like putting something around digital goods. Do you have a website? No, I don't have a website. What is your business phone number? Now on the phone number side, please guys, make sure that you're also going to be using a phone number that has never been used in any PayPal account before. It's very important as well. Okay, just to keep you safe. So let us add that right away. So in this particular case, we can actually go ahead and use our Nigerian number, but then one that is not connected. But for me, I actually have a UK number. And yes, if you actually have access to getting a new UK number, you can actually use that as well. You can use a simple app I call Oshed to get a UK or USA phone number for yourself. So once we've been able to input our phone number right here, as you can see, it's asking here what's our business address. And this is where we can actually just go and get random UAE address. Okay, so when you actually go ahead and do a quick search on that, you can just simply get, one of those random addresses that you most probably just want to impute on here. Okay, so let's go with this. So once we've actually been able to fill up all of these spaces, we want to click on next and we are going to be taken over to the next page right away. Okay, so the next thing I actually want to do right now is to add our date of birth and nationality. You can switch it back to Nigeria so you can align with your ID and all, and you can put in your date of birth. And for the phone number section again, yes, we actually want to put in our phone number once more, and let's do that. So for this, I would say it's the same, and I'm going to click on next. And once I click on next right here, as you can see, it's going to take me over to this next page. And we are going to be completing our customer identification process, which you actually want to do. So let's go ahead. I'm going to put in Nigeria. I'm going to click on submit. Now, there are cases where people actually want to use a couple of different IDs that they want to generate online at all, but then this is still going to work. Okay, So it's asking us a couple of questions here. In 2023, did your organization earn 50%? Yes, so we're going to say yes, and next. Okay, so we're just going to answer all of this. So we're going to answer all of this as no, 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 no. And once we are done with this, it says here, congratulations, you are all set. We've emailed you a confirmation link to verify your email address. And we're going to click on go to home page. Now, the next section we're going to do right now is to go ahead and, confirm your email, and let us do that. Guys, just relax. We're going to do all of those. And let me go over to the email right now and make the confirmation. So once you come over here, you can actually click on confirm your email, as you can see, and we can actually proceed right now to confirm your email and log into your PayPal account. Okay, so as you can see here, it says you've confirmed your email, and we can actually go ahead and click on continue. Okay, now once you actually click on continue right here, you can see that the next step for you to do now is to link a bank and to link a card. Okay, these are the two things that you're going to be doing next, and after you've been able to do this next, you actually can start using this PayPal account. As you can see that this account is actually going to be fully functional for you, but just link a bank or link a card. Now, this is actually going to be the first part of the particular video, and just to make sure that this video is not too long, because you actually need to do all of this in order to proceed, I'm going to be showing you the bank, the exact bank you need to link, and the exact card you actually are going to be linking to this particular PayPal account. Please make sure that you are following through with this particular video so that you can understand everything and know what exactly you should be linking and where you should get these things from. Because if you do something wrong, you definitely will be terminated ASAP. Okay, as you can see right now with the PayPal account, it's still a very good standing, and there are no issues, as you can see on here. Okay, so let's just go ahead and make sure you actually stay tuned for my next video. If you want me to make that video as soon as possible, let me know in the comment section below, and let me also know how far you've gone with this with your own account for yourself. Let me know in the comment section. Just drop it down there for me. And at the same time, guys, there is also going to be a link to my community on WhatsApp, so that we can always communicate. Should in case you eventually miss a step or you have a couple of other issues here and there, you can always ask me. Click the link down in the description and access my WhatsApp community, and we are going to be there together as well. Okay, so this is it for the particular video today, guys. Thanks so much, guys, for watching this particular video, and hopefully I'll actually come back with a part 2 of this video. Let me know if you want it. Tell me you want that video to come up right now as soon as possible. Okay, so I'll see you then, guys. Okay, peace.